So, the combination of offset and match is one way to make forecast scenarios dynamic. We learned how to use plenty of functions, so now we can exercise some other combinations too. What about the choose function? It's very popular for scenario building. Let's see how it can be applied in our case. I will type choose. The first argument of the function is its index value, which is a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then, the next few arguments we need are the scenarios, which are selected. So, for this cell, we want to select the 3 values below. Which is the function that would allow us to obtain a number based on the name of the scenario we've selected? Yes, we need the match function. The lookup value is up here. I will anchor its reference. And then the lookup array is here. Let's fix its column references. The third argument is 0 as usual. Perfect! Match will look at the selected scenario and then provide its number within the selected range of 3 cells. The number will be from 1 to 3, and that's exactly what choose needs. A number from 1 to 3 that helps it decide whether to select scenario 1, 2, or 3. This is how we can build dynamic models with choose and match. Thanks for watching.